is CNN Breaking News.
A man at Roosevelt Park has parents worried. A woman says she caught the man fondling himself in front of children. News 13's Candace Hopkins is live at the park tonight with the latest. Candace?
Dean, a woman snapped a picture of him near this playground. I brought that picture here to get reaction and instead found people who say this isn't the first time he's done this. A warning, this image may be disturbing. This image has visitors to Roosevelt Park shaken up. A woman snapped it Wednesday afternoon, then posted it on Facebook, claiming this man was fondling himself in front of children. When we came to the park with the picture, our cameras quickly spotted the same man. We also spoke with a slew of people who recognize him. Many say they aren't shocked by the fondling allegations.
He needs some help, and the cops need to do something about it.
Having seen that picture is not terribly surprising because I've seen him, he'll talk to himself. Today he was it looked like he was laying in a mud puddle, so he definitely has some problems.
Can I get an amen for the congregation? Amen! Thank you, praise the Lord.
That's pretty disturbing, and that guy's here a lot.
They just tried to avoid him now. APD says despite having pictures or even video like this, it would be hard to arrest him without an officer witnessing a crime. An unsettling thought for parents.
You know, he really put me off, and
God bless you all, bye!
While I only spoke to 2 people on camera, there are many others who say they're disturbed by this man, but they didn't want to be interviewed. Back to you, Dean.
All right, Candace, thank you. Police say they could give him a court summons if they catch up with him, but again, they would need to witness the behavior to actually arrest him.